Hey WooCommerce store owners, you're gonna love this. WPXPO has just dropped the craziest Black Friday deal ever. 10 powerful WooCommerce plugins with a massive 88% discount. Everything you need to run, grow, and refine your store, here's what's inside. WowStore, make your shop look amazing and totally optimized for sales. Wholesale X, start selling bulk products with wholesale pricing and quantity-based discounts. Wow Revenue, increase your average order value with product bundles and strategic discounts. WowAddons, add extra options to product pages and let customers personalize orders. WowShipping, set table rate shipping efficiently with 30+ conditional parameters. Wow Opt-in, display discount offers in beautiful pop-ups and grab the attention. PostX, add a beautiful blog section for your product reviews, comparisons, and more. So what are you waiting for? Lock in this value forever. Your one-time payment includes everything shown plus 3 brand new upcoming plugins at no extra charge. Secure your bundle now.